this. This is not what I purchased, but it is mentioned there. Same price, but when I open it, oh my god, I hate this reseller. I mean, the one who's selling about it. Because when I open it, I've got the old box of this kettle. Look at that. It's really spoiled. It's not new. And you know what happened? This is what I've got. This is not what I ordered for. And look at this. Oh my god. Do I deserve this? I paid exactly the exact amount. And this is not what the brand that I asked for. Come on. If you don't have that kind of product, don't post it. I'm so disappointed of you.
You just can't call a spade a spade. I watched the moon, let it run my mood. Can't stop thinking of you. I watched.
Preprint lang yan.
It's hard to
good care.
Tingnan, tape! Nasaan ba? Nandito ka. Nandito.
Murag makuha na daw ang ilang kuan. Ang ilang quiz.
Check ko lang yung ano. Okay ko mag-login.